What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Good morning, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome back to yet another video of an analysis of our old friend Luna Classic called right now, which I wanted to cover. I think it's quite obvious why I wanted to cover it today. Obviously today has been quite a bullish day, or starting yesterday actually. Has been quite bullish for the whole crypto market, and Luna Classic over the last, well, what is it? Over the last couple of hours, over the last 4 hours has made some sort of a bullish breakout. So that's why I wanted to cover it as well, because I know that still a lot of people hold Luna Classic, the previous Luna, and are trading it as well. So it's obviously not coming back towards 1 cent soon. It could reach 1 cent within a year or 2 years or the next bull market, but we would need to burn a lot of the supply, because at this point of time reaching 1 cent would mean a 70 billion market cap for a failed cryptocurrency, which would place it above at place number 3, right? So that's at the current supply, of course, but do you think that's realistic? I don't. So let's not talk about that too much. I don't want to start off too negative, because what we did is actually quite phenomenal. We dropped down to this support level here at around 9,000. That's what I'm always naming the prices as. I think that's a little bit easier. So for example, this is 9,000, this is 10,000. Drop down to 9,000, which was a strong level. I actually expected us to drop down a little bit lower towards 7,500 and 8,000. But I was wrong about that, which there's no shame in being wrong sometimes, as long as you're right some other times, right? And so yeah, that was enough support. Got a bullish breakout out of this trend line, which wasn't that strong of a trend line, to be fair with you, but it's a sign of what's happening. Found resistance at this minor resistance level at around 11,500, also with that trend line, which is also not a valid trend line anymore. What is a valid trend line though is this one, so we'll quickly draw that. But the main thing we did, and the candle actually closed after I did the analysis, so that's great. The main thing we did is we closed above that support level at 10,000. That's a great thing, because I think right now we are actually going to drop down a little bit towards 10,500 and 10,000, take a break retest and start our way up to 12,000, and I also think we're going to reach 12,500. So that's my price target, that's my prediction. I think we're going to reach 12,500. And then afterwards, I do expect that we'll drop down and kind of consolidate on top of 10,000 again. And then I'll probably do an update in a couple of days to see whether I think we can actually hold 10,000 or not. There's one exception though to this rule. And that is if we actually get a lot of more bullish momentum for Luna Classic, we could get a breakout above 12,500, and that would be absolutely amazing. So there's one big fundamental catalyst that could make that happen, and that is Bitcoin. Obviously, almost everything is correlated with Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin actually is able to get towards 22,000, I think Luna Classic is also able to close above 12,500 and get a move all the way up to 14,000 at least, this whole level around 14,000. And that's my initial price target, right? So I really do think there's a possibility to break above 12,500. I just think that if Bitcoin stays stable from now on, I think we'll still get towards 12,500. But then we would reject off of it. If the market is actually bullish, I think we would break that and get up to 14,000. Now that's the initial price target, 14,000, but it's very well possible that if the market actually, after that, it's relatively bullish, right? It has to be. So there's a good chance that we just take a break retest off of 12,500 and get towards 16 and 17,000. But I'll make an update for that, because it's just too far away, that whole scenario at this point of time, to accurately predict that. So I won't do that to you. But for now though, that's my analysis on Luna Classic. So if you do have any questions about anything I said or about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. And for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.